Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be explaining the concept of economies of scale. So as you can see on this graph, the vertical axis represents cost and then the horizontal axis represents quantity produced. And then this curved line, LRAC, which stands for long run average cost, shows how the average cost of producing each unit changes as a company increases production. Just to start, the formal definition of economies of scale is the reduction in average cost per unit as a firm increases its level of production over the long run. In simpler terms, economies of scale means that the more a company produces, the less it costs to make each individual product. This happens because fixed costs, such as equipment, buildings, and machinery, are spread over more units. Large companies can also buy materials in bulk, use specialized equipment, and improve efficiency, which lowers their average cost. So looking at the graph, notice that the left side of the LRAC curve slopes downward. This section is labeled as economies of scale. As production increases, the average cost decreases, making the business more efficient. The lowest point on the graph is called the minimum LRAC, where the company is producing at its most efficient scale with the lowest possible average cost. After that point, the graph begins to slope upward. This is called diseconomies of scale. If a company becomes too large, it may experience communication problems, management challenges, or inefficiencies that increase the average cost of production. A good example of this could be Costco. Because Costco buys products in extremely large quantities, it receives discounts from suppliers and spreads its operating costs across millions of items sold. This allows Costco to keep prices lower than many smaller stores while still making a profit. Economies of scale is important because they help businesses reduce costs, become more efficient, and often provide lower prices for consumers.